Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for June 21st. Currently looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This particular pair, we have a close down on Friday. Definitely moving sideways, currently biased sideways. Are looking for this pair to move as high as 97.39, possibly as low as 94.88. Definitely look for some resistance around 97.09 and look for some support around 95.98 in this particular pair. Now switching to the Euro-USD pair, this particular pair closed up on Friday session, moving sideways, looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 141.15, possibly as low as 137.87. Look for some resistance around 139.83, and look for some support around 138.69 in this particular pair. Now switching to the pound US dollar pair, this pair is moving sideways as well. It did close up during Friday's session, did not close, didn't actually hit previous resistance points as of yet anyway. Definitely had to look at a close above this session's high or this session's high before looking for this pair to just cruise on higher. We are looking for it to potentially go, though, as high as 166.89, possibly as low as 161.79. Look for some resistance around 165.86 and look for some support around 164.00 in this particular pair. Now, switching to the US Swiss, this particular pair formed an inside bar on the close Friday. It's currently moving sideways. I do believe we'll get a breakout during the next session. We are looking for it to potentially move as high as 1.0975, possibly as low as 106.83. Now look for some resistance around 10861 and look for some support around 1.0763. Well, that about does it for the charts. There's no real news announcements coming out. Oh, what I am looking for during this next session is actually in the U.S. Swiss. It's kind of a quick trade. I wouldn't, it may be not enough pips for a lot of you. I do realize that. Since we have an inside bar, look for a breakout of this session's low. Looking for it to tag this previous area of support right here. It's a little over 50 pips. I do believe we'll get it. If you look over here, we have previous resistance essentially as it came through here and closed at that level, opened and closed at that level. We also have the close here and the open at this point. A lot of indications that we could have support there now. So I am looking for a break at this point, and looking for it to cruise on down to this level. I know that may not be enough pips for some of y'all. If not, then obviously don't trade it. But I did want to show you what I'm looking at, or at least one of the things that I'm looking at for this pair. Now, if you back out of this pair a little ways, you can see that we are definitely consolidating down, and that is definitely something to note when you're looking at possible trades, possible breakouts that we could definitely hit during the next couple of sessions. We're going to get a breakout either to the upside or the downside, and where those potential trades should go. So anyway, definitely keep an eye on this pair. I do believe we're headed for a large volume day like we have this session, possibly this session, where we have several hundred pips that are covered all in one day. We've had a lot of them in recent times, and we're bound to have another one coming up very, very soon. So definitely keep an eye on this pair. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.